So here's the scoop on this adorable cottage bungalow here in Crestwood, known around the neighborhood as the Gingerbread House. It's being sold as is.
Let's talk about what as is really means before anyone gets worst case scenario ideas or a disaster renovation show.
So as is means that the seller isn't planning on making repairs before closing, but you still get inspections. You still get to learn about the house inside and out. And in Crestwood, as is usually translates to character, charm, and a price point that lets you build the equity.
It's basically the opposite of paying top dollar for someone else's taste. If you've got the vision, this is where you get to use it.
Hardwood floors, original details, and real personality, plus your chance to put a stamp on it all. So here's the takeaway. As is doesn't mean risky, it means opportunity, especially in a neighborhood like Crestwood where character's currency and the location is unmatched.
And if you're looking for the perfect house, sure, those exist. But if you're looking for something authentic with personality and possibility, this is where you start.
And if you'd like someone to help you see the possibility instead of what's right in front of you, that's kind of our thing.
If you want to take a tour of the Gingerbread House, reach out below. We'd love to show you all the possibilities.